So long as you are not known to be a shareholder with a particular share percentage, then anything can happen to you. You can be killed. Our lives are in danger simply because you're not a shareholder. If you are a reporter and you're not a shareholder, again you suffer the same. But if you are a reporter and you are a shareholder, you are safe. And the fight is much bigger because what happen in the name of shareholding and shareholding. That is the problem, because that's a philosophy. When that comes in, the only rescue there can only be United Nations.
There is no way this kind of an activity can happen without the highest office of the land knowing. William Samoei Ruto, Rigathi Gachagua must answer to this kind of harassment that has come back within 8 months of their being in office. There is a real fear of Kikuyus being together with Raila. And that is why these onslaughts, you'll see them on any section of the Kikuyu that is leaning towards Raila. They will try and take away Jubilee. They will try and take away NJENGA. They will try and take away any other person who seems that can grow the strength of Azimio, because Azimio, it is the voice of the voiceless. He is being charged with belonging to MUNGIKI, and they put the name MUNGIKI in quotes, meaning that they are also not certain of the charge. It is a case of harassment, and this is the harassment you also saw at the OLPP harassing Jubilee. Let me say this, and I rarely say this. It is actually an onslaught on Kikuyus, and they are fearful of Kikuyus coming together and speaking in one voice. You will not stop it. You lied to us for 4 years. They went in Buda because you lied to them on propaganda. They have moved out of Buda. It will take NJENGA and many of us to put them together. We have these colleagues in Azimio, and the threat that the fear they have is of Azimio remaining as a unit and more people coming to join it. And the way they even took him from us was through a lie and snatching him from us in the most unprofessional manner. But kumekuwako hii sheria ambao wanaitumia ni ile tulipitisha sisi wenyewe. We were part of the committee, myself and Wamaru, that they did that law back in the 10th parliament. There is no way they find him guilty under that law.